restoration. All you need is some loose hairs and your crochet needle. Let's get into it. If you have locks, you already know. The nape is usually the first place that starts looking a little rough. The loose hairs come out, frizzy edges, strands that just won't stay tucked. We're fixing all of that with a crochet needle. So this is what we're working with today. You could see some of the loose hairs have slipped out from the base of the lock. That's totally normal. That gets the most friction from like pillowcases, headrests, scarves. I'm going in with my small crochet needle. I like a fine gauge for nape work because the locks back here tend to be thinner. You want to insert the needle right at the base of the lock, catch the loose hairs, and pull it through. So I'm working my way down the lock because the loose hairs are about 2 to 3 inches long, and we want to make sure every loose hair is caught and put inside the lock. The motion is scrape and pull. Scrape the loose hairs out and pull them in. As you scrape and pull, the lock will look neater as you continue on. The goal isn't perfection, it's just getting the loose hairs incorporated so the lock lays smooth. I'll go through the rest of the nape the same way. It doesn't take long once you get the rhythm. Just always remember, scrape and pull, up and down, scrape and pull. If this was helpful, save it for your next maintenance day. Links for the needle I use are down below. And this is the finished result. No more loose hairs outside of the lock. It's all inside.